To transfer XRP from Crypto.com to a clear Tangent wallet, start by opening the Crypto.com app and clicking on the account option at the bottom of the screen. From there, select the wallet option. Then choose XRP or Ripple from the list of cryptocurrencies. You will see your XRP balance on the next screen. Click on the transfer button, followed by the withdraw option in the pop-up window, and then select the external wallet option. Next, tap on the add wallet address option and choose Ripple from the list of cryptocurrencies. Select the desired network. In this case, the default network is being used. You will need to paste the wallet address from your Tangent wallet. So open the Tangent Wallet app and enable XRP if you haven't already. To enable XRP, click on Manage Tokens. Search for XRP, and click on the down arrow next to it to select the desired network, in this case, the Laser main network. Toggle the option to enable it. Then click Save Changes. Go back to the home page. Find XRP, and tap on it. Click on Receive to get your XRP wallet address. Then click the Copy button. Go back to the Crypto.com app and paste the wallet address in the designated area. If a tag is provided for your XRP wallet, paste it in the second box. Otherwise, check the box that says no tag is required. Enter a name for the wallet and click Continue. You may be prompted to confirm that you trust the address. If so, click Yes. The wallet address will be added, and you can then click on the withdrawal button next to your wallet. Confirm the withdrawal. Enter the amount you want to transfer, and click Withdraw. Review the details, including the wallet address, amount, and network, and click Confirm once you've verified everything. The XRP will then be transferred from Crypto.com to the Tangent wallet.